we're a custom software development company. In the manufacturing space, if someone's looking to do shop production or being able to actually have data or analytics on machines on the shop floor, we build those type of solutions too as well. So those are some of the things, some of the projects that we're working on. Of course, utilizing AI to actually, enhance that data analytics and be able to give them more forecasting capabilities or predictive analytics. Just as an example, if you have worker A that's actually more productive than worker B, you can use that analytics, to move those pieces around to give you the best ROI. So those are some things that we're doing too. So that's just an example. So what really makes us different is our ability to have that industry experience through thought leadership. Not only that you're getting engineers that have the experience from a technical background, they also have the experience from a business savvy background too as well. So they understand your industry, they understand manufacturing, so I think that gives us a cutting edge.